and just shift the focus just a bit in terms of the railway budget. And from our Amrit Bharat train for the masses to running Vande Bharat sleeper trains, the Railway Ministry is eyeing a massive transformation in the passenger segment with a higher outlay for the sector. Now, sources say that the roadmap will be a part of the upcoming railway budget. Sameer Dikshit is joining in with us. Sameer, what's the latest update that we have on this front?
Sources have confirmed that government is going to continue its focus on the massive upgradation and the expansion of infrastructure, and in the same direction we will see a higher budgetary allocation for the railways as well. Around 25 to 30% higher budgetary allocation year-on-year basis that we can expect from the government. Announcement might be there in the upcoming budget, and this means that for FY 2024-25 the budgetary allocation for railways will be somewhere close to 2.95 lakh crore to 3 lakh crore. And the higher budgetary allocation means that railways is looking for a massive transformation in the passenger side as well as when it comes to the digital service side. When we talk about the passenger side, Amrit Bharat train, popularly known as Jan Sadharan train, railway plans to roll out 250 Amrit Bharat train that have general class and the sleeper class coaches in next 5 to 7 years. For this year itself, railway has set a target to roll out 25 Amrit Bharat train, and not just Jan Sadharan train but also a clear focus on Vande Bharat train as well. For the first time, the sleeper version of Vande Bharat train will be out on tracks. The trial is likely to begin by 15th of August this year. Railway targets to roll out around 6 Vande Bharat sleeper train on long route journey, whether it be Delhi, Mumbai, Delhi, Chennai or Chennai, Havra. So in addition to Vande sleeper train, Railway is also looking to roll out around 8 to 10 Vande metro train that will provide intercity connectivity somewhere around 150 kilometers of running that will be done through the Vande metro trains. For example, route like Delhi, Dehradun. So that is what Railways is looking at. So apart from passenger side, Railway is also likely to come up with a super app, the IRCTC super app, and with this super app, Railway is planning to attract new customers in the freight side, especially in the parcel segment, the e-commerce entities like Amazon and Flipkart. Railways is looking to infuse to enhance the investment in Concor, the Container Corporation of India. So with the increased investment, Railways is also looking to provide more wagons to Concor that will help to increase the freight basket. So that's a larger plan that Railways has. But in addition to all this, the clear focus on Kavach, the safety mechanism, will also be there. And for the same, the higher budgetary allocation for the safety will be done for the FY 2024-25, and railway targets to cover 4,500 kilometers of rail route network through the Kavach system. So that's what we can expect from the upcoming railway budget.
All right, thank you so much for that, Sameer. Definitely lots to watch out for in the upcoming budget, and definitely railway segment is.
If you like this video, then like, share and subscribe to ET Now.